Hello everybody. So in today's video I will be um, telling you about the functions that infotainment of the Toyota 2019 Highlander have, and all the options that comes with it. So we will be discovering them. So let's get started. So this is the home page of the screen. Okay, in this screen you will be able to see the summary of three functions. Like, this is the audio player, this box showing the audio player summary here. So whatever you are playing, the song or radio, so it will show here. And then there is another box here. So this is for your phone. For example, if your phone is connected with the Bluetooth, so it will show over here. And then we have another box, bigger box here. So this is for the consumption of the fuel that this car is making. For example, right now it is showing 5.9 liters for 100 kilometers. So this is the summary of this screen. So if you want to go into the detail or into like the folder of that option, for example, I want to see all the things that comes in this box detail. So now we can see that how many trips, almost 6 trips it is showing, and the average consumption of the fuel we can see one by one here. So all are coming below 10 liter for 100 kilometers. And then we can update here. For example, if I go somewhere and then I press update here, then it will show the trip number 6. Okay, so again it is back to the home screen. On the home screen, if you want to see the audio, you want to change any option here. So inside the audio tab, there is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 options available. So 7 options are for all the audio options inside. So there is a timer for 5 seconds. If you don't touch anything on the screen after going inside to any option, then it will go back to the home screen. So right now this is for USB. If you press this, then it will play the audio, and then from the USB. And then we have audio from Bluetooth. For example, if your phone has some songs inside, then it is going to play from here. And then we have FM, and then XM, this is also radio, and then AM, this is also radio. And then we have aux option. So if you will attach the phone from your like audio any device, sound jack, over here inside there are jack inside here in the dashboard. So if you will insert the what you call the sound jack, then you can run this audio from the cable also, aux cable. Okay, then we have CD player, which is here. So right now there is no CD, so they are black, means they are disabled right now. So when you attach them, then you can use them. And then let's go to the home again. These all are touch buttons. So then we have this option here, select phone. So right now there are my family members here which are connected with this. So whatever you want to connect, you need to press, but you cannot connect during the drive. If the car is running, then these options will be sleeping, like not able, you cannot press them, because the Toyota wants you to be focused on the driving rather on the screen, so they disable these options. So when you will stop, then you can connect any one phone. Okay, and then if you want to add another phone, then press add here, then you can add another phone. Okay, and then let's go to home again, and there is another tab for apps. So this shows all the options that this infotainment is coming with. So this is the same screen that somebody was coming on the home. So let's go back, and then we have phone. You know this, there's no phone connected right now to pair. Okay, so we will go back, and then there is audio, we know about this, and then setup, and then traffic, and then weather. Okay, these two options comes when you connect with the service server, okay, from the Toyota. Then you can use these two, otherwise it will show no signal. Okay, let's go to the setup. Here you can customize some of the things that this car comes with. For example, home screen. So as you saw in the beginning, it was showing the audio, phone, and eco like this. So if you want to change any screen, for example, in the eco area, you want any other option from the list. If we go down, so these are the only 4 options that you can use or you can choose from. So for example, if I choose weather, then it will show weather here, and then you can change this also, these 2 options. Now there is another option, which is like you want 3 options available on the screen, or the 2 panel, means if I press this, then it will show only 2 options on the screen, like phone and audio. So let's go back, and then we have Bluetooth, which you already know how to connect, and then phone we already discussed, and then voice. There are voice recognition in this car. For example, if you will say dial any friend contact that you have in your mobile, so if you will say dial Thompson, so it will dial. This is the simple option that is coming in so many cars. So this is like voice commands. So first you need to save, and then there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 people you can save in this, like different voices. And then we go back, and then let's go to the setup. You can turn off the screen from here also, like this. Then press again app, then it will come back. So setup, and then if we go into the display, so adjust contrast and brightness. So if you want to change the brightness of the screen, see it is, I'm dimming it now. It is, this is like simple brightness option, and then contrast option, and then we have camera. So whatever you are using, like for the rear camera, you can change the color settings for that. And then there is day mode, and there is one night mode as well. So right now this is day mode, so now it is night mode. Now go back, and then we have voice, we know, display we know, Bluetooth, phone, audio. Now let's go into the driver. So when you go into this, it is going to show you that driver setting features will allow the system to link some preferences such as audio preset, button colors, language to paired Bluetooth. Please note that enabling this feature, you will need to make sure to connect to the correct phone in order to get your settings. So this option is coming with the Bluetooth connection. For example, if you are connected with your phone, then all the settings for like brightness of the screen and audio, equalizer, anything like that, it will adjust automatically. Then if your friend sits inside and then he select or connect his phone to the infotainment, that it will put his settings. So this is for that purpose. And then we have vehicle option. So in this vehicle customization, we have some options here, like door lock settings. So what you want from the door lock settings, for example, if you put the car into parking, for example this, if you put the gear into the parking, it is going to lock the car automatically. And if you put the shift gear to the drive mode, then it is going to lock or unlock. So this all like this. Then we have remote to press. If you press 2 times remote, then it is going to unlock. So it is already check marked. So if you don't want this, then you can uncheck this. Then there is wireless lock when door open. Means you can unlock or lock the car if the door is still open. Then we have unlock and lock feedback lights. The lights that turns on when you lock the car. For example, if you press 2 times, then the indicators, all 4 indicators are going to blink 2 times. It means all the doors are locked. And then we have, this is the option for that, we can uncheck if you don't want the indicators. And then we have the unlock and lock tone that comes, like when you lock the car, it beeps, and if you unlock, then beeps again. So this is for that option. You can adjust the volume also. And then in the drive vehicle option, we have another option here. This is for climate settings, also AC mode. Okay, right now this is for auto AC mode. And then we have light settings. Here in the light settings, we have headlamps on sensitivity. Okay, means that the headlamps are going to turn off automatically when you lock the car. And then we have daytime running lights, which are the DRLs. So DRL is actually the short form of this, daytime running lights, DRL. So this is for that. If you don't want them, then you can uncheck. And then interior lights off timer means if you want to the interior lights to shut off after 30 seconds when you close the door, then it's up to you. You can change any option from this. And then we have, these are the options inside this. And then we have other vehicle settings. So this is for the boot door or the hatch door, this one. So whatever the height you want to adjust for the back door, because sometimes you are inside a very low roof area, ceiling is very near to the car, so you can go with this option. So the car is going to open the back door like this, like the second one, and then there is one very little will open, then there is 2, and then 3 it will open little bigger, little wider, then 4, then 5. So these are the option. Right now I am using the 4 because it is just near to the height of the car. So if I am inside a very low height area, so it is not going to hit the roof of the building. Then we have in the audio, we have sound option also. So this is for equalizer. The sound quality you can manage, like bass, and then the mid, and then treble, and then we have the surround sound, like where you want the most of the sound coming from. For example, you sit here, this is the driver, so if you will do like this on the like this, then it is going to give you more sound from this area. And then if you adjust like this, then the speakers from the right door and the front dashboard speaker, these two are going to run. The sound will come from here. And then we have rear speakers, so if you want from the rear only, you can do like this. So the sound will come from the back seats. So it's all adjustable from where you want the sound should come from. So it's like this. So these are the all options that this car has in the infotainment. And for these buttons, actually these are for changing the songs. If you have USB attached, then you can change. For example, if I run this, so this is the song. So if you want to change it like this, you can change it from here. So it's like this. And then same option is available on the steering also. From here you can change the tracks. This is for volume, and this is for mode, like for example FM, USB, Bluetooth, phone, like this. And this is for voice commands. For example, if you want to dial any friend's number, then press this and then you can call any command. And this is for picking call, and this is for ending the call. And then we have here radar option, radar sensitivity, and then we have LDM, lane departure management, and these are the arrows to control any option inside this screen from here. And then here, this screen can be controlled from here. For example, if I press down key, then you can check that it is changing the screen in the middle like this. And then we have back option. If I press this, then it will go to the home. And then we have clock here, and then airbag sensors, and then we have climate control. So this is it. I hope this video will help those who just bought the car and wants to know about it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.